Days after outgoing president pardons son Hunter. Donald Trump's lawyers pushed to dismiss hush money case. Trump cites Hunter Biden's pardon in bid to quash case. President-elect says hush money case must be tossed. Trump had slammed Biden's decision to pardon son Hunter. President-elect had called Biden's decision miscarriage of justice. Lawyers of President-elect Donald Trump have invoked Joe Biden's decision to pardon his son Hunter Biden in an argument, as they filed paperwork pushing dismissal of Trump's hush money case. In his latest bid to toss out his criminal conviction in the Manhattan hush money case, Trump repeatedly invoked President Joe Biden's justification for pardoning his son. President-elect's lawyers argued that Trump himself has been subject to the same sort of politically motivated prosecutions that Biden condemned in his pardon announcement. In a compelling 69-page court filing released on December 3, Trump's legal team made arguments to dismiss the hush money case in light of Trump's recent election win. They initially presented these points in a letter to Justice Juan Merchan shortly after the election victory. Trump's lawyers Todd Blanche and Emil Bove argued that Biden's assertions about Hunter Biden had been selectively and unfairly prosecuted and treated differently were tantamount to an extraordinary condemnation of President Biden's own Department of Justice. The dismissal pitch came after the November 22 decision of Judge Juan Merchan to indefinitely postpone Trump's sentencing so lawyers on both sides could argue over its future. Trump's lawyers have been making requests to dismiss the criminal case, where in May 2024 President-elect was convicted of 34 felony counts over hush money paid to adult film actor and producer Stormy Daniels to prevent her from going public in the run-up to the 2016 election about a purported sexual liaison years before. Remember, on December 1, outgoing U.S. President Joe Biden pardoned his son Hunter Biden for gun possession and tax fraud charges. Biden said Hunter had been unfairly prosecuted for being his son. In a statement released by the White House, Biden said he had granted clemency to Hunter. President Biden's son Hunter faced sentencing for false statements and gun convictions in December 2024. In September, he pleaded guilty to federal charges of failing to pay $1.4 million in taxes while spending lavishly on drugs, sex workers, and luxury items. He was scheduled for sentencing on December 16. However, the presidential pardon means Hunter Biden would not be sentenced for his crimes and that he cannot be sent to prison, which was a possibility.